You.
They eat you.
Yeah. I don't have much health. I need to eat their meat. I collected money to buy a Lenovo IdeaPad 3.
Yeah, it's a good one with Ryzen 7 CPU and a lot of memory inside. With 512 SD storage here. Let's unbox it.
Yes! I waited for this moment for 4 years.
You collect money for 4 years.
It's a final thank you. Oh my god! Wow. I see it. I see it. Oh my god!
Wow.
Wow.
The cost was 875 euro.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's made in Slovakia, European Union. Here we have some Windows installation, license for Windows 11, IdeaPad 3, read it, it's your manual, and warranty. Okay, let's unbox it.
Yes. I want to open this.
1 second.
I want it.
It's your iPad. You can open it.
IdeaPad.
IdeaPad.
Not iPad. It's very big.
It's a 17-inch screen.
Let me, please, I want it.
And I give you to do first open it.
It's a final brain cell.
Be careful.
Oh, it's heavy.
Wow, 11 inch.
No camera.
Oh, 17 inch.
And
this
no
camera.
camera. No camera.
Yeah, please remove.
Ah.
The camera is inside.
Ah, I see, yeah. Oh my god. Let me press.
Wow. Look.
Wow.
AMD Ryzen 7 5000 series. AMD Radeon Graphics. E support. It's smart. Okay, but
yeah. It's very
fine.
good. I like it very much.
Please remove it when first used. Let's take power supply from here. Wow, it's British type power supply.
I don't so.
And small power.
I like it.
You can speak with English accent.
Water.
Not water. Laptop.
Laptop.
Where it?
Harry Maguire.
How we can connect it? Maybe here. Yeah, it's here. And here we can connect to it. Let's turn it on.
Yes.
Okay. Let's turn it on. Your turn. Remove.
I know, I see that.
Remove it. Okay.
Now
And turn it on.
3,
2, 1. Start. Nothing happened.
What the hell?
No start.
Doesn't work. Stop.
Bro, I think it's not charged.
Yeah, maybe it's not charged. Let's charge it.
Yes.
This cable ties.
No. Let's put this here.
And connect it. Do you see something?
It has.
Stop.
Why?
We need 20 seconds to charge battery. 30-50 seconds we need. Second try. Let's do it.
Yes, it's working.
Is it working?
Yes, there is light. And here.
Stop. Don't touch anything. First start. Ta-da!
Yes, it's working.
Some crazy designer did this.
Yeah. Better for full, but yeah, good. Good.
I think he thought it will be good.
Yeah.
Very beautiful design.
Yeah. Just a moment.
Just a moment.
10,000 years later.
Maybe the designer name was just a moment.
Lol. And 3 dots. What is this the right country or region? No. It's not working like that. I wanna do this.
Look for Cyprus. Or Ukraine.
ABC. Where
Set
was
up your
Ukraine?
device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Shut up. Cyprus.
Cyprus, yes.
Let's go. Let's get it.
What type of layer do you like? United States or United Kingdom?
Let me see.
I think United States will be okay. What to add second keyboard layout? Do you like second?
Yes.
What type of language do you prefer? Ukrainian
Yes.
or Cypriot?
Ukrainian better. Press enter, bro.
Ukrainian?
Yes. Uzbek. Yes.
Which keyboard? Ukrainian, yeah?
Yes.
Second layout will be Ukrainian. Let's connect. Do you need internet here?
Bruch, yes.
Okay, we will connect it to internet.
Connect the mouse.
Okay.
Maybe we have another side. No,
Be careful.
I know. Here. Yes.
Let's stop. Internet is okay.
Next.
Next. Checking for updates.
We just buy the Bruch.
Make sure you have the latest.
And it won't say what latest.
What is it latest?
Latest phone, latest potato. We don't know.
Good things coming your way.
What
The PC will start before you continue. Okay, we need time to restart and to do all the things.
Kaboom.
Please review the license agreement. Be careful, read all this text to the last letter and tell me about what they...
How much?
Maybe 1000 pages. Okay, accept without.
Yeah, better. We'll put wallpapers, custom cursor.
Let's add your Microsoft account. Do you have Microsoft account?
Yeah.
Add it. Your Skype or email. First run. We are inside and let's see what we have here. Display, storage, situations, about. AMD Ryzen, very good, very good, very good. Wow.
Oh, oh, oh.
Wow, we like it.
Yes.
Settings. Yeah, everything is good. Everything is working. Okay, let's test it.
Yes. I use this computer 1 week and it's very good. I very like it.
Let's show you how strong it is via IDA 64 benchmark. As you see, it's old version of IDA, but CPU type and motherboard are correct. It's Ryzen 7, yeah?
Yeah.
Ryzen 7 here and 12 gigabits of memory here. Fast memory. It's all.
No game lags at all. Let me show you. FP64 ray trace. It's very high. Here there are more than better computers, a lot of better, but not very a lot. Yeah. And here we have it's
CPU Queen benchmark test.
It's very high too. And the memory read it's not very high, but it's normal.
High, it's normal, it's enough for
Yeah.
for laptop, because this one is server computers,
Yeah.
desktops.
Now let's try to play games on it. Let's start the recording in OBS Studio. Start recording.
We will include these videos from OBS Studio to the video, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Now let's go to Counter-Strike Global Offensive.
That will show us all might of the AMD Radeon Graphics
Yeah.
here.
It's loading now. 1 minute.
How many we will try today?
3 games. Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Fortnite and Fall Guys.
And Standoff 2
It's mobile game.
from Android emulator.
From BlueStacks. Counter-Strike Global Offensive. CSGO. It doesn't matter. We'll play with bots.
We need to show you how many FPS we have here. Is recording on?
Yeah, of course.
Do you remember command to show FPS here?
Yes.
Okay. Show us graphic settings on the game.
I will show you now. They will load the game and I will show you. And I will write a command. I like the music. Now it loads. Now look. Settings.
Video.
Game.
Video.
Ah.
Okay, here. Let's screen. This resolution. Full screen. Yeah, all high, high, high. Okay, let's show us FPS.
Yeah.
Let's show them who we are.
It needs to show.
Unknown command.
No command? I don't know.
Did it one more time.
Okay. No command.
Okay. So FPS shows the graphics.
Okay.
Go.
The graphics are very good.
Go anyway.
I can see. Yeah, it's very good. The graphics are good. FPS, I think it's good.
Let's have it, lads.
Yeah, I think it's very good.
Throwing fire.
Now let's test it in Fortnite. Let's go in solo. Dance.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it records. Now we're getting into a game. I know, it's strange. We're in game.
How many FPS we have here?
30 FPS.
30 FPS? Is it bots?
No, it's
Real people?
Yeah.
Why they try to shoot you?
Look. Go die, Deadpool.
I know you hate Deadpool.
Cause bruh, he's a Deadpool. Thanks the bus. You need to thank the bus driver. Yeah. And now let's jump. Now it has a little, not very much FPS. 30 FPS now. They're going there. Okay, now let's see how is Fall Guys going on this computer.
Show us video settings.
Okay, options.
No, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Not on. Okay, let's go in game.
Let's go. Fall Guys need to fall.
Can you do full screen? No?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
Maybe.
No, it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Looking for players.
Yeah. Looking for more players. Let's go.
One start.
It every time does like that. DoorDash. How to play. Break through doors and race to the finish line. Some are real, some are fake.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go, let's get it.
Waiting for players.
No, here. DoorDash. Or the players. This is me, Mr. Cheese. Let's go. I think in the middle.
Is it like in PlayStation 4?
Yeah. But I think still on PlayStation 4 it will have a little more resolution. Oh my god!
I lost one.
Here. Let's go. Here now. Here. Oh my god! I fell on someone's head. It doesn't matter. Yes, I qualified.